What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. And man, it has been a time here lately. Some of you guys probably know Friday I had surgery. My wisdom tooth back here became impacted. It was pushing up against my jaw and my other teeth and some nerves. And then it got infected. My whole jaw was swollen up around here, guys. So I had to have that cut out. And then while they were in there, they took out another one up here. So I'm all stitched up. And he told me, take some time, give it a few days before you get back out there breathing in chemicals and trying to paint and stuff like that. So I said, all right, going to take it easy. I'm going to do what the doctor tells me to do. That way I don't need more infections, because that was not fun. That was a rough time right there, boy. But anyway, so that's done. We just went over 800 videos, guys. I can't believe I've done over 800 videos on YouTube. That is absolutely insane. And half the time people reach out to me and want to see a certain video, and I'm like, yeah, I did it about a year and a half ago. It's just crazy the way people find you on YouTube. But yeah, so a lot of things coming, guys. A couple more paint jobs coming. I've been watching and reading up on your comments. I've got quite a few video ideas and a couple more Rust-Oleum type products. Some new ones I'm going to bring you guys really soon, so be on the lookout for that. But more than anything else today, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how I'm doing. Let you know we'll be getting back to episodes really soon, and let you know about WHITLEYAutoWorks.com, guys. I've been kind of keeping this a little bit of a secret. I think a couple people may have found it already, but it's all one word, WHITLEYAutoWorks.com. I now own that. It's my brand new store, guys. It has tons of new merch, different items and stuff like that. I got air fresheners, I got stickers, I got a little bit of everything, vanity plates, and really soon we'll be doing a giveaway with a combo pack. Currently it's saying sold out on the store, so that'll change, and there's a link to the giveaway as far as all the rules for it, so you guys can kind of look at that and kind of see where we're headed with that. But the giveaway stuff will be coming later on down the road. I'm waiting for some stuff to come in before I go live with that, and I will do a dedicated video to that when it finally does. A little update on the scammer, guys. He has been removed now. They took him off. And yeah, no more fake Whitley Auto Works as far as I know of, unless somebody else decides to come along and do the exact same thing. You can't help this stuff. It's what it is. And as far as I go, guys, I will never message you and try to get your information and tell you won something just off a whim in the comments of videos or whatever else. So don't buy into that. And I'll make a crystal clear dedicated video for the giveaway and constantly update that type stuff when it does go live. But for now, you can go check out WHITLEYAutoWorks.com, pick you up some cool merch if you're interested. Like I said, prices are much more affordable than they were before, and I've got tons more stuff to choose from and tons more stuff coming. And I've taken your guys' advice, stuff you wanted to see. Somebody wanted to see a Whitley Auto Works University Academy graduate. I just graduated t-shirt. I got one of those up there. It's pretty funny. And just some other cool stuff that, like I said, I took your guys' suggestions and I threw it up there. So if you guys are interested in supporting the channel in any way, shape, or form, you can definitely go pick up some items. And yeah, that's kind of where that's at. That's pretty much all I have for you today, guys. I don't have a whole lot right now. Like I said, I got to give it a few days before I can get back out there and do some episodes, but tons more in the works, tons more coming, a lot of exciting things moving forward, and yeah, I'm healing up nicely. So as always, guys, let me know what your thoughts are on WHITLEYAutoWorks.com, my new store, and yeah, I'll have links in the description to that. Go pick you up something cool, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.